We are guys here to buy the ladder for the attic. Alex wasn't fast enough to buy in the nearest shop. That is why we had to go to Balashikha. That is, guys, the ladder Alex wants to buy. But Alex says here it is cheaper. In Fryazino it is 13,000 rubles, here 12. But Alex, we spent money to come here. The delivery of you and me is not free. And also, Alex, we spent approximately half a day to come here.
Не, ну мы все равно же мимо
едем. Yeah.
По Фрязино такая же цена, но их нету.
Yeah. Alex says that he was a good guy and he did everything correctly, guys. Now, guys, we are waiting in the queue because we have to order, to make the order. It is the ladder is in the storage. The toys, I think they sell them. So, guys, we paid for the ladder. In rubles that is 12,000 rubles, but the dollar today is very expensive, so 80 rubles for $1, approximately $150, yeah, for the ladder. But we have to go to the storage again, guys, to the storage, and the storage somewhere there. The new system, guys, we have to show the receipt from the store. That is, guys, the exit from the parking lot. We had 3 hours for free, but we were here approximately 30 minutes. Hello guys and welcome to Different Russia channel. Alex proudly presents the result of 2 or 3 days of work. 2 days of work. One day they were working together with Dad and our son, Alex, and one day Alex worked only with his dad. The problem is, guys, that is almost the sunset and you won't see perfectly well. So guys, this room is almost ready. The ceiling is ready and that is the beginning of the wall. Great job, Alex. Great job. 6-meter boards are very difficult to be installed, so they spend too much time on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 boards. 9, да? Yeah, half a day.
Очень тяжело, они очень длинные.
Alex says they are very long and that is why it's difficult to install them.
Вдвоем очень тяжело ставить.
They started together with Dad, but then Alex came home and took our son because they could not do this work only with Dad.
Ну, выглядеть будет вот приблизительно так.
Отлично. Great job, Alex. This camera shows a little bit better, guys. My action cam Sony doesn't film great when there is no enough light for it. So the evening and the night are not good for Sony action cam.
Сначала будем делать потолок везде, а потом вот все стены по периметру.
So guys, the plan is to finish the ceiling. So first of all the ceiling and then the walls of the house. Yeah. And only after that these walls inside the house.
Да, потом эти перегородки.
Yeah. Alex says it's difficult to carry long boards if there is some wall here, so that is why they decided first of all to build those walls, the walls of the house, let it be, I don't know how to call them, внешние стены, and then this part inside the house and between the rooms.